The Statue of Liberty spiritual exercise. They started making a lot of Liberty insurance commercials, or I started noticing or watching programs that had them with the Statue of Liberty around this time. So, you know, the 30th month in Eckankar has its prescribed spiritual exercise on pages 137 and 138 of the Eckankar 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp. One is supposed to fantasize about arriving in New York Harbor on a ship. One is supposed to focus on the green Luciferian statue and its face, while imagining God's love entering you and spreading throughout the world. Whatever the derived meaning, this is called the Sat Nam exercise, and is to be alternated with a chosen spiritual exercise for the first and third week. Only Hue, like H-U-E, is chanted in the second week. The rest of the month alternate between the Sat Nam exercise and intoning Hue. Mention about this image of Lucifer from Luciferos, our light is what I'm bearing, is upon the torch of freedom in its right hand, rather than the tablet in the left. That says, July of MDCCLXXVI, 1776 of Vulgaris, it could be said that it faces Jerusalem, Mecca, or the Great Pyramid, going the long way. The tablet may indicate the heliacal rising of Sirius, which is July 16th through 20th, in the heyday of the Roman Empire, and August 11th now. Now, there is some variation which day that happens per your latitude. Eckankar teaches that one should consider the Statue of Liberty as neither male or female. The Sergeant Floyd obelisk in Sioux City, I don't think it's pronounced Sioux, but Sioux, has a corner that faces Mecca, Saudi Arabia, and one of the Statues of Liberty's platforms faces that direction from the Statue of Liberty's base, and another platform is in the direction of Mecca, going across from the side of its base that is closest to facing the sea to the platform on that side. So obviously both the Judeo-Christian and Islamic would be represented by the Jerusalem reference, but the Mecca thing in particular, which is also actually referenced in the Bible. So, but we do find that the founding fathers and some French individuals that could have been involved in such things would have had ideological, at the least you could say, because they were deists, right? Connections with all this. I thought there was going to be a dream in here. I guess there's not.